Equipped with LED strips, an exhaust system, and a smart door detection sensor, the new SNAPMAKER 2.0 Enclosure will offer features of illumination, fume emission, sound isolation, and laser filtration, giving you a brighter, quieter, and safer environment. There are 3 models of SNAPMAKER 2.0 modular 3D printers: A150, A250, and A350. Each has its specially designed enclosure. And in this video, we are going to take the enclosure of A350 as an example to introduce the use of LED strips, exhaust fan, and door detection features and show you how to change machine functions when it is closed. Before starting, check if you have updated your machine firmware to version 1.8.0.0 or above by going to Settings, About Machine on the touchscreen. If you haven't, you will not be able to use the enclosure functions. To upgrade your machine, download the latest firmware package from SNAPMAKER official site. Extract the package and copy the bin file to a USB flash drive. Insert the USB flash drive into the machine controller. Go to Files, USB on the touchscreen and tap on the bin file to start upgrading. SNAPMAKER 2.0 Enclosure can be operated through either SNAPMAKER Luban software or the touchscreen of the machine. It depends on whether the machine is connected to the computer or not. When the machine is connected to your computer via USB cable or Wi-Fi, you can control the enclosure in SNAPMAKER Luban whether the machine is running or not. When the machine is on standby and hasn't been connected to your computer, you can go to Home, Enclosure on the touchscreen. And when the machine is running without being connected to the computer, you can swipe left on the touchscreen and select Enclosure tab. When using the laser function or 3D printing with ABS filament, you're recommended to switch on the exhaust fan to expel the waste gas. But when using the CNC function, you're recommended to switch off the exhaust fan to avoid raising the dust in the enclosure. To ensure your safety, the enclosure is equipped with a Hall switch sensor that detects the status of the folding doors. This door detection function is activated by default. When any one of the doors is open during the laser or CNC process that are operated through a USB flash drive or Wi-Fi, the machine will stop automatically, and a notification will pop up on the touchscreen. To resume the process, when the machine is not connected to the computer, close the door and follow the instructions on the touchscreen. When connected, the instructions will pop up in SNAPMAKER Luban. Close the enclosure door and click Run icon in the software to continue. If you need to open the door frequently and don't want the ongoing process to be paused, you can go to Home, Enclosure, Settings on the touchscreen to disable the door detection or turn it off in SNAPMAKER Luban. When the function is turned off, make sure to wear the safety goggles before opening the doors. It should be noted that though the enclosure panels are made of laser protective materials, you're still recommended to wear the laser safety goggles throughout your laser working process for safety reasons, whether the door detection function is on or off. To change the tool heads and the platforms when the machine is enclosed, you'll be using the H2.5 screwdriver bit or the H2.5 hex key. We will demonstrate this part by detaching the CNC parts and get the machine ready for 3D printing. Fold and open 2 doors. Go to Home, Control, Jog Mode on the touchscreen to move the tool head and platform to proper places where you can detach the parts easily. To ensure safety, make sure to power off the machine and remove the CNC bit first. Then, disconnect the tool head cable, the tool head, and the platform. Attach the 3D printing module. Connect the cable. Attach the heated bed and the print sheet. When connecting the cables, make sure to insert the plugs into the right ports on the machine controller by checking the port names, or the machine could be damaged. Finally, load filament as illustrated. That's all for the video. To learn more about assembling the enclosure, please watch our video tutorial, How to Assemble SNAPMAKER 2.0 Enclosure for A350 and A250. Thank you for watching.